Now, the Kenyan opposition yesterday was speaking to the press, and this is what the statement was saying. Press statement for immediate release, date 18 June 2025. The United Opposition condemns state sponsored violence, allied cover up, and the police implicated in extrajudicial killings. And it continues. The United Opposition strongly condemns the ongoing rampant and senseless extrajudicial killings being carried out by National Police Service across the country. Most recently, the pressed shooting and of an armed citizen in the heart of Nairobi Central Business District during a peaceful protest. This is talking about the that man who was selling masks and his wife was cut short by a Roge police officer who shot him in a riflelet without any mistake. We are also alarmed at the of dangerous and illegal alliance between the police and Haiti model militia gangs we saw terrorizing unarmed protesters, business operators, and civilians regardless of age and gender. Now, this Haiti militia they are talking about is those people that were hired by Governor Sakaja to come and, stop those. It will stop those demonstrations by one way of pitting the demonstrators who were on the ground. Now it continues. If it was not evident before, it is crystal clear that the police have become judge, jury, and executor. A death squad in uniform. They have abducted their constitutional mandate to protect and serve the people and are clearly under the direction of violent and repressive regime. The repressive regime, you know what they are talking about. What is also now clear in Kenya, led Haiti, multinational security support (MSS) mission was not peacekeeping mission, but a benchmarking trip by Ruto on the use of militia to terrorize a nation on taxpayers' money. Following yesterday's horrifying attacks on unarmed citizens, we ask these pertinent questions. Question number one is why wear a mask and hide your page number if you are following your constitutional mandate to protect and serve all? Number two, why did the police needlessly use live bullets on unarmed citizens while escorting Haiti like military terrorizing Kenyans? Number three, why did the police needlessly use live bullets? Number three again, why did the police participate in the looting of private property, including electronics such as laptops, phones, and whatever? Number four, what is the coincidence that the guns the Kenyan police were using are similar to ones Ruto supplied to RSF militia in Sudan? This is a very big question, and I asked the question for myself, but I did not get the answer. Now it has been asked here again. Why are the command and control structures of the National Police Service lying under oath in the parliament in the attempt to cover up the murder of Albert Ojwang? The question is all over. Now, it is clear that the Ruto regime has waged war against fundamental human rights, which calculated vengeance, that is revenge. He has deployed killer large police squads whose tactics are similar to the Haiti militia. These third squads are using special firearms that Ruto has also illegally supplied to Sultan, the RSF militia. These acts have resulted to countless deaths both in Kenya and Sudan. As the United Opposition, United Opposition is headed by Kalonzo Musyoka, Rigathi Gachagua, we have Martha Karua, Matiang'i, Akina, and the rest. Yeah, we demand answers to the questions posed. We, however, do not expect them to give this regime direction on duty with these people. Asking for accountability from a clear, paranoid, and repressive regime that fronts the rule of law and disregards human life in a waste of time. Ruto not only continues to contravene and the Constitution of Kenya 2010, but all the international laws, including the International Criminal Court and the Convention, including the Rome State of International Criminal Court signed by ratified by Kenya. We, the united oppositions here, have therefore taken action. We have been collecting evidence and our team are currently compiling the same to hand over to ICC prosecutor. Mr. Ruto answered for his regime against humanity. To the Kenyan people, do not be afraid to and intimidated. Ruto started tactics and meant to silence, divide, demoralize us. But history has taught us that no regime can sustain itself on bullets and lies. The will of the people shall prevail, and the courage of Albert Ojwang and countless others will be unfeigned. We stand united, resolute, and unafraid. At the end, now this message was signed by Honorable Martha Karua, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, Rigathi Gachagua, Justin Moturi, Eugene Wamara, and Mukesha Kitui. Lastly, it was signed by Saitoti Torome. And that comes to the end of that press. You see now, the opposition have decided to report President Ruto to ICC so that he can answer some questions regarding the whatever they are asking for. Yeah, this is what is happening right now, and as things are moving, the opposition are combining the relevant information to submit to International Criminal Court for justice. Now, let us wait and see what will happen, and let us know what you think in the comment section. Kindly, if you are new in this platform, you can press that subscription button, and that is the only way you can support us. Thank you.